everybody? It's Seth back with another video, and today I'm at Streetcar Takeover Charlotte, day one. It's a Thursday and it is meet day, and there's Philly's Accord, there's my Accord, and I managed to lose my GoPro, so I'm recording off my iPhone, and it's sad because that was like 300 bucks, and now I don't know where it's at, and I just got a whole bunch of new stuff and a whole bunch of footages on it. I just lost it all. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoy the video. I'm gonna start showing you some cool things. I'm already surrounded by a bunch of cars, and we're like 3 overflow parking lots full. There's still an R33 here, so it's kind of crazy. I will one day own one of you. One day. Still an overflow, bro. There's somewhere up there is Dynos and all kinds of stuff, and we haven't even. I'm so far away I can't even hear them right now, but it's crazy. Also, shout out my boy Barry's Accord. Wish I had my GoPro. Woo. Da, 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 da. Rotaries, bro, rotaries. Crazy. Still in the overflow parking lot. There's a GTR chilling over there. We're still not even close to the place. It's just parking. Actually put that tire on this side right here. Oh! Such a flex. God, that Paxton is massive, bro. On a Boss 302, crazy. Yeah, I want to ride in a big turbo Civic just one time, just to see what it's like. I want to see if it's like as insane as people say it is. I feel like it is. It's definitely got to be. I want to see exactly how insane it is.
Hey Miata, rip for us! Look at that damn thing.
Wow.
I think you're gonna dyno it. I almost want to dyno my car.
Do a burnout! Do a burnout! Crazy. Now in line to go past everybody. We're just gonna rev bomb the Accord like a little ricer. So yeah, enjoy that. It's got Philly behind me, but this is gonna be interesting. Yes, sir. So y'all see this car a lot on the channel. Pretty much every meet I go to. But he recently put a Vortex supercharger on it. Very subtle, very subtle. 370, bro. Then the Evo. Oh yeah.
Oh man, look at the car.
Let me air it out and leave it. Dude, that's crazy. Oh, jeez. The old Subi has my heart, though. The old Subaru. God. Well, somebody just got hit.
Yep, that person's fault.
That's tough. All right, after that wreck, things have gotten a little bit crazy with people just running places and everything getting unorganized. And it's 11 o'clock and I got school tomorrow at 5. Well, got to get up at 5, so I'm going to hit the road. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, don't mind subscribing. All right, anyways, guys, have a great rest of y'all's day. Peace out.